Hey, if you're doing fusion splicing in the field, this one's built for you. Whether you're working out of a bucket truck, up a pole, or out in the middle of nowhere without a flat surface in sight, Jonard's PWS-1 QuickField portable workstation is the all-in-one setup that brings the job site to you. First up, the tray itself. 7 designated compartments keep your splicing tools organized right where you need them, including custom molded slots for Jonard's FDC-66 and FD-200. And for your splicer, there are some secure mounting slots that accommodate Jonard's Spark Fusion splicers, or most Fusion splicer models on the market, up to 9.5 inches wide and 12 inches long. Your gear isn't shifting around, it's locked in. Second, the way you carry it. The QuickField gives you options. Throw on the padded neck strap and waist plate for hands-free wearable use when you're moving around on a site. Both are padded specifically to reduce strain during long shifts, because nobody needs a sore neck on top of an already demanding job. Or skip the strap and mount the tray on the PWS-T65 telescoping tripod, which extends from 26.5 inches all the way up to 65 inches. Sitting down, standing up, dial it to whatever's comfortable and work from there. Third, getting it to the job. The whole kit breaks down into modular drawstring carrying cases sized to fit each component. And if you don't need the tripod on a particular run, you can pull it out and carry separately. Clean, organized, nothing rattling around loose. Fourth, and worth calling out, everything in this kit is part of Jonard's broader QuickField system. The tray, the strap, the tripod, they're all designed to work together, so you're not cobbling together a solution from mismatched parts. It's a complete field workstation, and it travels like one. If you're doing serious splicing work in the field, the PWS-1 is hard to argue with. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more Jonard Tools content. Find the PWS-1 through your preferred distributor. Links below, and we'll catch you in the next one.